Hello everyone. The next question. From the following particulars, prepare reconciliation statement. As mentioned, net profit as per financial account, net profit as per cost account. As I told in the beginning, if they mention both accounts profit, we need to prepare only as per the Amendment Act of net profit as per cost account only. We have to take on the base. Then we are getting the value of financial account. If they are mentioned the both accounts profit, we need to prepare base is cost accounts only. Then we are getting the profit of financial accounts. And now income tax will be, we are preparing the cost account, so that will be financial expenses deducted. Share transfer fees will be income, so that we need to add. Overheads recovered as per cost accounts 34,000 and overheads charged in financial account 28,000. Under recovery or over recovery in overhead, so that over recovery of overhead will be added to the cost accounts profit. And company provided for doubtful debts, see doubtful debts bad debts, that is financial expenses deduct. Director fees in financial account, these expenses. Depreciation charged in financial account, expenses deduct. Value of closing stock in cost account 18,750 and value of closing stock in financial account 20,750. More in financial account, less in cost account. So the difference amount will be undervaluation of closing stock. Undervaluation of closing stock will be added to the cost account's profit. The next one, interest and investment not included in cost account. See, interest and investment, we are getting the interest based on we are invested this something, it may be in the share or it may be anything. So that interest and investment will be income, financial income, so that we need to add to the cost account. Goodwill written off in financial account, goodwill will be expenses, written off will be expenses, financial expenses deduct. Stores adjustment credited in financial account 1,000. This is income, financial income we need to add. Let us see the solution for that. Reconciliation statement. Don't confuse. I am telling again and again, if they are mentioned both set of accounts profit, we need to take on a base only to the net profit as per cost account. This is the amendment rules. See, we need to compare the value to the cost accounts only. Financial value to be compared always to the cost account. It may be in the overhead or it may be in the stock valuation. See, transfer fee, financial income 4,000, overheads recovered in cost account, overhead over recovery 6,000 difference, undervaluation of closing stock 2,000, interest on investment income 4,000, stores adjustment in financial account 1,000, the total will be 17,000, that is the financial income. And expenses, income tax provided, doubtful debts, director fees like 60, 20,000 and 8,000, depreciation charged in financial account 7,000, goodwill written off 9,000. These are all the financial expenses. From cost account, some income will be added and expenses will be deducted. Now we are getting the value of net profit as per financial account 1,13,000. This is the format. If when you people are going to be compare the value to the any set of financial value to be compared only to the cost accounts value, then we are getting to know whether it may be over recovery or under recovery or overvaluation or undervaluation of stock. We'll see the one more problem. X Company Limited given the following particulars for the year ending 31st March 2014. See, trading and P&L account, purchases, carriage inward, wages, direct expenses given and indirect expenses also given, totally profit and losses given in the problem. Now, indirect expenses are salary, rent, depreciation, selling expenses, distribution expenses and net profit. These are all the financial statement. Now, cost accounting information they are given. In cost account, the following information is available. See, closing stock was valued at rupees 40,000, depreciation charges at rupees 7,700, administration overhead at salary and rent observe 52,000, selling expenses were recovered at 8% on sales, distribution expenses recovered at rupees 18,000. Show the profit as per cost accounts and prepare the reconciliation statement as on 31st March 2014. Don't confuse here. These are all the financial statement, financial account information. These are all the cost accounts information. Now we need to show the profit as per cost account. Before going to prepare in the reconciliation statement, we need to find the cost sheet. For that we need to find the profit as per cost account. So now we'll prepare the cost sheet. So statement of cost sheet. First we need to any direct expenses given in the problem. See, they are given purchases 1,60,000. For that given in the problem carriage inwards and wages, total will be 2,10,000. Will get prime cost, and indirect expenses will be added and deducted. Factory overhead, see, they are mentioned in the adjustment. Depreciation charges rupees 7,700 because these are in cost accounting information, so that 7,700 only to the depreciation of any work. So that total 2,17,700, that is work cost. For work cost we need to add the office and administration overhead. Office and administration information, they are mentioned in the cost accounting information, like salary and rent. Administration overhead, salary and rent. Observe rupees 52,000. So you are getting the value 2,69,700. Here, if they are not mentioned any closing stock of finished goods in the problem, see, finished goods closing stock will be given 40,000. So that from the deduct closing stock of finished goods, you are getting the cost of production is 2,29,700. For that we need to add the selling and distribution expenses. They are mentioned. Selling expenses were recovered at 8% on sales. See, sales will be 3 lakh. 3 lakh of 8%, you are getting 24,000, and distribution charges are 18,000. The total cost will be 2,71,700, and the sales is 3 lakh. Difference between sales and total cost, you are getting the profit and cost accounts. See, sales is 3 lakh, total cost will be 2,71,700. The difference between sales and total cost, you are getting the value of profit in cost account 28,300. This is the profit and cost account when we are going to prepare the cost sheet as per the cost profit statement. Now, after finding the cost accounts profit, we need to prepare the reconciliation statement. See, net profit as per the cost account 28,300. Now we need to compare the financial accounts information and cost accounts information in the question. See, over recovery of overhead in depreciation, see, 2,700. Over recovery of distribution overhead 3,000, and commission received 12,000. Discount allowed 2,000. The total will be 48,000. Now we need to deduct over valuation of closing stock 10,000. In financial accounts it will be compared to the financial accounts, cost accounts value will be I in closing stock, so 10,000. Under recovery of administration 8,000. Under recovery of selling overhead 6,000. These information we need to convert or compare to the cost accounts information and financial account information. Always financial accounts information should compare the cost accounting information only when we are going to prepare the reconciliation statement. See, now we are getting the value of net profit as per financial accounts. We'll see the other problem in the next class. Thank you.